There's been a lot of talk lately about Google's upcoming Pixel 10 series, and it's not just about new designs or features. According to some fresh leaks, Google might be planning something unusual this time. They could limit certain storage options based on the color of the phone you pick. That's right, depending on the color you choose, you might not be able to get every storage size the phone offers. Let's break this down to see what it means for buyers. The leak suggests that Google will launch for main models in the Pixel 10 lineup, the regular Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Each of these phones will come in different colors and offer a variety of storage options. But here's the catch. The highest storage option, like the 1TB version, may only be available in certain colors. This might be frustrating for people who want both a specific color and lots of storage. Starting with the base Pixel 10, it's expected to come in for colors Obsidian, Frost, Indigo, and Lemongrass. This model seems pretty straightforward, as it will offer two storage options -128GB and 256GB for all colors, with no restrictions. Things start to get tricky with the Pixel 10 Pro. It'll also come in for colors Obsidian, Porcelain, Moonstone, and Jade, but here's where the limits show up. If you want the biggest 1TB storage, you can only get it with the Obsidian color. Porcelain and Moonstone will only go up to 512GB, and Jade will top out at just 256GB. That could be disappointing for someone who loves the Jade color, but needs more storage for apps, photos, and videos. The Pixel 10 Pro XL has a similar setup. It'll also be available in Obsidian, Porcelain, Moonstone, and Jade. Once again, Obsidian is the only color where you can pick from all for storage sizes -128GB to 56GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Porcelain and Moonstone will offer 256GB and 512GB options, and Jade is stuck at just 256GB. Then we have the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This one will only come into colors Moonstone and Jade. Moonstone will give you 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB options, but Jade won't offer the 1TB version. It'll stop at 512GB. Now, is this a clever marketing move by Google or just an annoying restriction? That depends on who you ask. Some people might like the idea that certain colors feel more special or exclusive because they offer higher storage. Others will probably find it frustrating. If you like the look of Jade but need a lot of storage, you'll be stuck choosing between color and capacity, and it's not just the phones getting color-related limits. The upcoming Pixel Buds to earbuds might also face a similar situation. Leaks say they'll come in hazel, iris, and fog-like colors, but earlier reports mentioned for color options, so we're not sure yet what the final choices will be. Of course, it's important to remember that these are all leaks for now. Nothing's been confirmed by Google. Things could easily change by the time the phones officially launch. Speaking of which, the Pixel 10 series is expected to be announced in August. That's when we'll finally get the real details and see how much of this turns out to be true. The timing is interesting, as Google's new phones will be launching around the same time as the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the new iPhone 17 series. With so many big-name phones coming out together, competition will be tough. One thing's clear, though, Google is trying new ideas with the Pixel 10 series. Whether it's changing storage options based on color or tweaking the design, they're trying to stand out. Whether people will like this strategy or find it frustrating is something we'll find out soon. Either way, if you're thinking about buying a Pixel 10, you'll want to pay close attention to the color and storage details when they're officially revealed.